Welcome, here I've got ZTE Blade V8 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shutter sound at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's slide simply to the left to get access to this panel, and now we have to tap to the right corner button at the bottom to open the advanced camera settings. Here we can slide a little bit down and focus on the general category. At the first place here we have shutter tone option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn off the camera sound and turn it on as we need. Now let me keep it turned off. Let's move back to the camera, and when I take another picture we can't hear anything. And of course when we slide again to the left, pick this button from the right and tap to the shutter tone in general category, we can turn on the shutter sound and hear it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.